At dahil wala pa akong content ngayon this month, so eto muna. Paano kumuha ng GCash Visa card? Here's how. First, click order a card. Second, send me a card. Third, click a card with a total amount of 250 pesos. Please type in your full name, your active cellphone number na ginagamit nyo for GCash, and also delivery address. I-click nyo saan kayo nakatira para make sure may di-deliver to ni GCash ang GCash Visa card na in-order nyo. So, highly option is tatakpan ko na yung personal info ko para iwas privacy. Okay? Tapusin ko muna ito hanggang sa ma-finish na. And also, don't forget to put your landmark, pero optional sa inyo kung saan kayo mas malapit sa example, malapit ba kayo sa barangay hall? No problem. And make sure na tama yung nilalagay nyong personal info, address, pati yung active cellphone number na naka-register sa inyong GCash. Ito, inaayos ko lang ito ha, para sure part na madaling mapadalan at your doorsteps. And to finalize, we'll make sure i-double check nyo muna kung tama yung tinaype sa personal info. And that's it. And once you're done, i-check nyo muna yung terms and conditions bago kayo mag-confirm ng payment. Or option nyo lang kung gusto nyo basahin bago kayo magbayad. Or else, diretso nyo lang, click the confirm. At proceed na tayo sa payment method. You want pay 250 pesos. And voila! After 5 to 10 working hours na mag-claim nyo ang GCash Visa card at your own doorstep. And this is it, Pansit. After 10 working days, dumating na rin ang GCash Visa card right under my doorsteps. So, excited na ba kayo i-unbox? O, ako na. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Umpisahan na natin ang pang-unbox. At dahil hindi ko na kailangang pumunta pa sa ibang money remittance center, so, nandito na rin ang GCash Visa card na pwede nyong gamitin mag-withdraw ng pera through ATM slot machines sa lahat ng bangko anywhere in the country. Hindi lang yan, pwedeng gawing pambayad using your credit card as well. And just follow the instructions kung paano gumawa ng personal PIN number ng GCash Visa card. So, we ready for now? So, you grab your own now para meron na rin kayong GCash Visa card.